Today I'm going to show you how to build a real estate AI agent that's absolutely insane. This thing handles tenant messages, contacts contractors, and books jobs automatically. It's like having a full property management team that never sleeps. We're talking about a system that can save property managers thousands of hours every month. And the best part, you can build this entire system in N8N without writing a single line of code. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. This is revolutionary stuff. Property management is about to get a massive upgrade, and I'm going to walk you through every single step so you can build this exact system today. We actually built this for one of our clients, and the results have been incredible. If you want us to build you a custom automation like this, make sure you book an AI automation session below. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about this automation. Let me start by explaining what this system actually does, because when you see how smart this thing is, you're going to want to build one for every business you know. The system has two main flows. The first flow handles messages from tenants. Whether they send a WhatsApp message or an email, this system catches it and processes it automatically. The second flow handles form submissions from contractors when they accept or reject jobs. But here's where it gets really smart. This isn't just about forwarding messages. This system actually thinks about what's happening. When a tenant sends a message, the system first figures out who they are. It looks them up in the database using their email or phone number. Then it finds their property. Then it checks if there's already an open job for that property. This is genius, because if someone emails about a broken faucet today and then emails again tomorrow about the same faucet, you don't want to contact the contractor twice. The system is smart enough to add the new message to the existing job instead of creating a duplicate. But what if the tenant mentions multiple issues? Like first they talk about plumbing, then later they mention electrical problems. The system handles that too. It can add multiple contractors to the same job. So your plumber handles the pipe issue and your electrician handles the wiring issue, all tracked in one job. Now here's where the AI magic happens. The system uses OpenAI to classify what type of job this is. Is it plumbing, electrical, HVAC? The AI reads the tenant's message and figures out exactly what kind of contractor is needed, and this classification can handle multiple job types from a single message. So if someone says, my sink is leaking and the lights are flickering, the AI knows to contact both a plumber and an electrician. But what happens if the AI can't figure out what the issue is? Maybe the tenant just says hi or sends something really unclear. The system has a built-in safety net for this. If the system can't classify the message, it waits 1 hour, then it checks if the job is still unclassified. If it is, it sends an email to the property manager to review manually. This prevents the system from getting stuck on unclear messages. This is the kind of smart automation that actually works in the real world. It's not just blindly forwarding messages, it's making intelligent decisions about what to do next. Once the AI classifies the job type, the system looks up the right contractor, it finds the plumber's contact information from the database, then it adds that contractor to the job in Airtable. Here's another smart feature. The system checks if the contractor has a phone number on file. If they do, it sends a WhatsApp message by default. If not, it sends an email. This ensures contractors get contacted through their preferred method. But the message isn't just, hey, there's a job. The system includes a link to a form where the contractor can confirm or reject the job. And they can include their availability, timing, and pricing right in the form. This is where the second flow comes in. When a contractor submits that form, the system processes their response automatically. If the contractor rejects the job, the system immediately emails the property manager. This way, they know to find another contractor right away instead of waiting around wondering what happened. But if the contractor accepts the job, that's when the real automation kicks in. The system updates the job in Airtable with the contractor's date, time, cost, and confirmation status. Then it adds the cost to a monthly tracking sheet so everything stays organized for billing. Then the system figures out how the tenant originally contacted them. Did they use WhatsApp or email? Because it makes sense to reply using the same platform the tenant used. Finally, the system emails the property manager to confirm that the booking is complete, so they know everything's handled without having to check manually. This level of automation is insane. Think about how much time this saves. A property manager normally has to read every tenant message, figure out what's wrong, look up contractors, send messages back and forth, track responses, update records, and follow up on everything. This system does all of that automatically, and it does it faster and more consistently than any human could. Let me walk you through how to build this exact system in N8N. We're going to start with the tenant message flow. The first step is setting up triggers for both WhatsApp and Gmail. These will catch incoming messages from tenants automatically. Next, we need to normalize the data. Whether the message comes from WhatsApp or Gmail, we want the rest of the flow to see the same information format, so we extract the contact info and message content in a standard way. Then we look up the tenant in our database. We search by email or phone number to find their record. Once we have the tenant, we can find their property. Here's where we implement that smart duplicate detection. We check if there's already an open job for this property. If there is, we add the new message to that existing job. If not, we create a new job. This is crucial for preventing duplicate work, and it's the kind of logic that separates professional automation from amateur scripts. Now we get to the AI classification part. We send the message content to OpenAI with a prompt that asks it to classify the job type. The AI can return one or multiple classifications, or none if the message is unclear. If there's no classification, we start that 1 hour timer I mentioned. After an hour, we check if the job is still unclassified. If it is, we alert the property manager. But if we do have classifications, we loop through each one. For each job type, we look up the appropriate contractor from our database. Then we add the contractor to the job and send them a message with the form link. The message includes all the job details and asks them to confirm their availability and pricing. When the contractor submits the form, that triggers the seek and flow. This flow processes their response and updates everything automatically. If they reject the job, we alert the property manager immediately. If they accept, we update the job record, add the cost to our tracking sheet, and notify the tenant through their preferred contact method. Finally, we send a confirmation email to the property manager so they know the job is booked. This entire system runs 24/7 without any human intervention. It's like having a property management assistant that never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and never takes a day off. The time savings are massive. Instead of spending hours every day managing contractor communications, property managers can focus on growing their business. And the tenant experience is incredible. They send one message and get a professional response with contractor details and scheduling, no back and forth, no delays, no confusion. For contractors, it's just as good. They get clear job details and can respond on their own schedule, no phone tag, no miscommunication, no wasted time. This is the future of property management, and you can build it today with N8N. The best part is that this system is completely scalable. Whether you manage 10 properties or 10,000, the automation handles the same way. You're not limited by human capacity anymore. And because everything is tracked in Airtable, you have complete visibility into your operations. You can see response times, contractor performance, job costs, and tenant satisfaction all in one place. This kind of data is gold for optimizing your business. You can identify your best contractors, track seasonal patterns, and make data-driven decisions about pricing and staffing. The ROI on this automation is incredible. Even if you only manage a few properties, the time savings pay for themselves within weeks. And for larger operations, we're talking about thousands of dollars in savings every month. But here's what I find most exciting. This system demonstrates how AI can handle complex multi-step processes that require real decision-making. It's not just copying and pasting. It's actually thinking about what to do next based on the situation. This is the direction all business automation is heading. Simple task automation is just the beginning. The real value comes from systems that can handle entire workflows intelligently, and the technology is getting better every day. The AI classification will become more accurate, the integrations will become more seamless, the possibilities are endless. If you're in property management, you need to build this system. If you're not, you should still build it to understand how these advanced automations work, because this approach applies to every industry. Customer service can be automated this way. Sales follow-up can be automated this way. Project management can be automated this way. The principles are the same. The key is thinking about the entire workflow, not just individual tasks. What decisions need to be made? What information needs to be tracked? How should the system handle edge cases? When you design automation at this level, you're not just saving time, you're creating a competitive advantage that's hard to replicate. Your competitors are still handling everything manually. While they're busy with operational tasks, you're focused on growth and strategy. That's how you win in business. This real estate AI agent is just one example of what's possible. Every business has workflows that can be automated this way. The question is whether you're going to build them or let your competitors get there first. The tools are available right now. N8N makes it easy to build complex automations without coding. AI services like OpenAI provide the intelligence. Database tools like Airtable handle the data management. Everything you need is ready to go. The only thing missing is someone to put it all together. That someone should be you. Start with one workflow, build it, test it, and optimize it. Then move on to the next one. Before you know it, you'll have automated the majority of your business operations. This is how modern businesses operate. This is how you scale without burning out. This is how you stay competitive in an AI-driven world. The future belongs to businesses that embrace automation, not the simple stuff, but the complex, intelligent workflows that actually move the needle. Property management is just the beginning. Every industry is about to get disrupted by this level of automation. The question is whether you'll be leading that disruption or trying to catch up. I hope this tutorial showed you what's possible, but more importantly, I hope it inspired you to start building, because the best way to understand AI automation is to actually build it yourself. If you want to take your business to the next level with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We dive deep into advanced strategies like this real estate system and show you how to implement them in any industry. Plus, you'll get the JSON swipe and deploy template for this exact automation inside the boardroom. And if you want us to build you a custom automation like this real estate system, make sure you book an AI automation session below. We'll analyze your business and create a custom solution that fits your exact needs. If you want a custom SEO strategy for your business, I'm also offering free strategy sessions. The link is in the comments and description below. We'll analyze your current situation and show you exactly how to get more leads and customers through search. For a complete step-by-step guide to building this system, plus over 100 other AI automation tutorials, check out our AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes, SOPs, and processes you need to implement these automations in your business. We have over 14,000 members sharing strategies and helping each other succeed. The link is in the comments and description. Remember, this isn't just about property management. The principles you learn today apply to every business. Start building, start automating, and start scaling. The future is automated, and it starts now.